Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto E13, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. You need to begin by opening Devices Settings. Now tap on Connected Devices right away. Then select Pair New Device and wait for available ones to show. When they do, just click on the one that you wish to connect to. Now, in the pop-up, you need to select Pair in order to connect and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, in a matter of seconds, my devices were successfully connected. If you want to disconnect them, just click on this gear icon next to chosen device. Click on Forget next to Connect and confirm your choice in the pop-up. In order to connect to the same one, click on Pair New Device and do exactly the same. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!